Welcome all of you in SST College Arts and Commerce. This is the SST Idopedia, class DYCS, subjects Cloud Computing. My name is Vandana Soni. Today I am going to explain about the introduction in cloud computing. First, we have to start about the cloud. Cloud is a motion. Cloud is basically refers to internet and the internet connectivity. Sometimes we have to see a lots of technique related to locations, knowledge, gain of power, and the combination of all these satisfactions and the related to a cloud-based model. So the basic information is released from a cloud computing. The definition about the cloud computing is the basic to deliver a computing and the services such as the server, storage, database, networking, software, analyst, intelligence, and the more in the cloud related some a technical part. Now, the cloud computing block function is represented by many functions. First, we have to see a infrastructure. The infrastructure going to base of the particular cloud computing technique. The cloud computing is basic to be connected with the application and the storage part. The storage is nothing but our database. The database is connected with the simple and many more functions related to storing a data manipulation function, and the significant amount of the storage process and the application we have to use in our system, like a mobile phone, like a gadget, like a PCs, we have to store and use to simultaneously. The infrastructure is managed the all over techniques throughout the client to pass out the server. Next is representation about the cloud computing technique. The cloud computing is mainly representing, and the location is the flow of the servers, desktop, tablet, phone, and laptop also. These are the main purpose we have to create it in a particular cloud computing system. The server representations, the laptop representation, desktop, tablet, and phone, these are make a particular physically devices. We have to connect it for that. The simple language is cloud represent the fundamental techniques to release of the particular data. We have to see in this figure the monitor, content, collaboration, communication, and finances is performed. These are the our application. The platform represent the object storage, identity, runtime, queue, and related to a particular database. Infrastructure is performing a main task related to in this technique. The computer, block storage, and network is simultaneously work together with the cloud computing technique. Now, we have to see about the history of cloud computing. Basically, in this figure, we have to see a mainframe, rise in the PC, client server architecture, hosting environmental, and the cloud computing system. Start with the 1950, the cloud computing is start the authentication phase. The authentication is the main importance in the infrastructure, but starting phases is almost in this done. The automations is the phases to start with the localization and the infrastructure part. Second, start with the rise of the PC is started with the 1960s rise in the demand of the person and desktop related. The desktop is released the form of the information to particular device to device releasing of the data. Displacement and the computing and the birth of the IT service in the industry is to start the cloud computing basic infrastructure in the particular manner. Next is started the client servers architecture is start with 1919 virtual private network officer and office work to demand and to manage to a bandwidth to locate the information and manipulate the particular different type of the data. And we have to see host environmental like start with the 2000. I think it is this flow of the starting purpose in the cloud computing in the IT sector and IT market industry. Next, the cloud computing is to establish in the beyond of the 2010. It is the way to representation is the cloud is the hung amount of the data and store processor is the use amount of the data and the particular technique. The cloud computing mainly delivered to a emergency portal is the delivering the many functions like performing a iPaaS, PaaS and SaaS and NAS. These are the main fundamental is performed to a cloud computing techniques. Collaborative computing, utility computing and model to beyond the knowledge about the storage process is the knowledge about the data transferring and data manipulation is a very use is the building of the cloud computing techniques. The cloud computing service provider, basically we know just the foundation and the founder of is very important in the cloud computing services. So we have to see in this slide the representation is the Rockplace, Microsoft, Xeons and 10 Market. Google is also involved in the cloud computing. IBM, Amazon, VMware, DigitalOcean, these are the service provider. Mainly service provider, we have to provide the services. The cloud computing is basically need provide of the customer to customer. Suppose I am taking a one example. If the customer and the client wants to sum a little amount of the server as a holder, but there is some techniques. These are company given to a data or a servers for a lease process, for a hour basis, for a week basis. It is used to as a requirement of the client. So it is very basic needs to implement in the cloud computing. The advantages of the cloud computing is very simple and easy. Why? Because of it is totally based on the cost, speed, scalability, productivity, reliability and the security purpose. I am talking with the start with the cost. The cost is basically the client is secure. Why? Because of it sometime is take in a particular time, hour, weekly or monthly basis. The speed is representing of the resources can be accessed in the minutely, typely within a few clicks. It is more reliable and speed performance to a rotate up the speed. Scalability is required to can increase or decrease the requirement of the resources ascending to a business requirement as per our purpose. Productivity, while using cloud computing, we put a less operation efforts. We do not need to apply a patching as well as no need to maintain a hardware and the software as the utility of the client requirement. In this way, the IT team can be more productivity and the focus on the achieving the business goal apart from the productivity console related in a cloud computing. Reliability is provided to a facility to a backup and recover are the data less expensive and very fast for business communities. Security, many cloud vendor offers to a bond set of the office technology, controls and strength of the data security. So main advantages cloud computing is provide to facility in a cost, speed, scalability, productivity, reliability and security purpose. But we have to see and manipulate are the database management system. It is a resource to industry, resource to hung amount of the data is the particular requirement basis. Type of the cloud computing is very simple and needful. Why? Because of we want to our path. The person is going to start up in a particular path, but he or she should know about that. What the path, what my destination and what are the requirement. So the basic requirement and basic needs in the cloud computing divided into 4 such a type. First is a public cloud, second one is a private cloud, third one is a hybrid cloud and fourth one is a community cloud. The public cloud is very simple. We will talk to each other. That is means the publicly we can talk to each other. The very basic communications techniques. But the private cloud is basically we want to talk with those person just we want to. So data type of the data samely we can release. I am taking some example related to a Facebook. Just we post the some updation some images in a Facebook. So we can select it the post such as the publish on a public or private. That is the main difference in the public and private. The hybrid cloud is the combination of publicly and private cloud. It is perform some various tasks need as the such as the client requirement and particular manner. The community cloud is basic perform the operation to connectivity with the more technical and the release of the data to a specific security and the manipulating of the particular data is used to a cloud computing techniques. Now I am going to explain about the service model. Service model is provide to facility what are the services including in the cloud computing techniques. Clients web warehouse model app in a cloud section, but it should be divided in a three forms. First is the application, platform and its infrastructure. Application perform a SaaS operation. SaaS is perform a CRM, email, game, virtual and desktop. PaaS is a perform as the platform. It means what? The database, web, server, deployment and tools. And third one is the infrastructure, basic operation performed by a IaaS. It means was a virtual machine, server, storage and the network policies. SaaS, PaaS and IaaS, we have to see the next slide going to a specification particular task. The benefit is provided to a facility in the cloud computing is more important because the benefit is essential for a IT infrastructure. So that is the benefit. First is start with the application utility over the internet. Second one is the manipulate the configure app in a online. Third one is the no software requirement. Fourth one is the online development and deployment of the tool. And fifth one, resource available, no network. Sixth one, on demand self-services. Seventh one, cost efficiency, and last is a high efficiency, reliability and flexibility. The characteristic about the cloud computing is a very simple because it should be denoted the four major thing in particular cloud computing characteristic. First, start with the deployment of the model. Second, the service model. Third one is provide to facility is a essential as the characteristic, and fourth one is the common characteristic. Deployment model is based on the type of cloud computing. It is should be denoted a hybrid cloud computing in connected with the private cloud computing, community cloud computing and public cloud computing. The service model is provides a three operations: SaaS, PaaS and IaaS. SaaS is represent the software as a services and PaaS represent a platform as a services, and IaaS is represent the infrastructure as a services model. Essential characteristic should be clear, on demand as a self-services model. The broad network accessibility, rapid electricity, resources pooling, major services functions. Common characteristic is divided in some such a part related to a mass scale and end with the advantage of the security. In between, we have to manage such a task like that. We have to see the reselecting a computing, homogeneous selecting, geographical selecting, visualization services, and also come under a low cost software. Cloud computing technology is based on the work to behind the cloud computing perform making a cloud computing flexible, reliable and usable technique. In these techniques, we have to see four major elements. Start with the visualization. Second is we also mention it the virtualization, making a visualization technique. Why? Because these are performing are the platform to relate with the cloud computing technique. Service oriented architecture, SOA, grid computing and utility of the computing. Virtualization is the mainly focus of the cloud computing technique because it's maintain a mediator with the network storage and the virtualization in the cloud computing model. In certain that we have to see a application, operating system and virtual machine is connect with the virtual infrastructure techniques. Service oriented architecture represent and a combination of the such as the mobile application, 2D, 3D, GIS application, business application and connect with the integrations platform. The integration platform performing as showing the facility to enhance or the skill is the capacity about the cloud computing technique. We have to see a service publishing TR. It means we have to see a catalog services, global services, map services, located services. The desktop autonomic tier is a representation of the particular technique to manage our the data. Two representations in the cloud computing technique. Next slide, we have to see a grid computing. A grid computing is the mainly used to connect with the data to a different user and panel process. First start with the database, and in this connected with the supercomputer, laptop and PC. The process is a very much old and enhanced skill to now we have to see in a lot is the as the generic process is the development. Type of the cloud services, it should be performing a PaaS, IaaS and the SaaS function. This function is represented about the platform independent and the cloud representation of the data. Next slide, we going to explain about the type of the cloud services, basic about the SaaS, PaaS and IaaS techniques. This techniques is going to some specific elements like end user, software developer and IT administrator control tool. In this techniques, we have to see the where the technique with the start and where it should be end. The performing is the essential and the tool requirement at particular manipulate a data to a technique about the SaaS technique, the PaaS technique and IaaS is the related in the cloud computing service model. Thanks.